So hey guys, we found this mysterious hole right there. I bet it looks scary because it's so wide and big. My cameraman said it might have a snake, but he didn't actually mean to scare me. That's what he said, but I don't know what we'll find, but we have a spear right here. See? We are going to be actual Masai Morans. They usually hunt lions. So just a simple snake or a hare, I guess it won't scare us. We also have like a small panga. Let me call it that. It's a knife. Important. Very, very important.
Do you think we could put a short video the way you were explaining where the
So hey guys, we found this mysterious hole right there. I bet it looks scary because it's so wide and big. My cameraman said it might have a snake, but he didn't actually mean to scare me. That's what he said, but I don't know what we'll find, but we have a spear right here. See? We are going to be actual Masai Morans. They usually hunt lions. So just a simple snake or a hare, I guess it won't scare us. We also have like a small panga. Let me call it that. It's a knife. So cameraman, are you scared?
Not really.
Let us go then. So cameraman, show them like the surrounding as we are heading. So guys, that is the dirty river.
The river connected with Adi River.
It's connected with
Adi River.
Athi.
Yeah.
Whoa, I didn't know that. Guys, it's connected with Athi River. From that side, Amma?
Yeah.
Okay, from that side. So, whoa.
Yeah, careful.
Where was the... It was there.
Yeah.
Let me admit, I'm a little bit scared because that hole was terrifying, I'm telling you.
Seems to be having two openings.
Yes. Can this be a snake? Two openings.
Judging by the environment,
Snake.
it could also be a hare.
A hare, I guess so. Because I guess a hare is one of the animals that usually have like two holes, one for coming in, one for escaping.
Yes.
In case of danger. So, cameraman. Whoa. You know, let me tell you, cameraman, when I was coming here, you are not a ride. I found I saw something very big there, and then when it saw me, it's like it slithered into the river. It was so big, I'm telling you. I don't know, are there crocodiles here?
Not really, but they are monitor lizards.
Yes, I think it was a monitor lizard. It was hella big.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to poke. We're gonna start poking here. I guess this is the dead end here. That is not like actually a real hole. Oh. Are you ready to run?
Yes. Maybe it's not true.
Eh?
Maybe it's not a tomb.
So cameraman, show me.
Yeah, Lord.
I guess maybe there's nothing here. Is there anything here? What do you think, my cameraman? I guess there's nothing.
Wait, yes, it is. These are monitor lizards. I forgot to tell you, sorry.
Ah,
Yes.
there's a monitor lizard here.
No, like this part of the river, a lot of children complain about a small creature that attacks them in the water.
Oh,
And assuming because we're near a water
yes, it was
source,
there. Let me show. It was actually there. It was big.
assuming because monitor lizards stay around the water source, it means this could be a nesting ground.
Here.
Yes.
Yes. So guys, point me, show me. So guys, this could be a nesting point for monitor lizards. I guess that's why it's big. You can't know it's big from here. Cameraman, show me as I should. Like, point at me. Here. Are monitor lizards harmful?
They can be, especially during this kind of moments. After all, you're attacking their territory, so they be aggressive.
So like, do they have poison or something?
Not really, but they are stated to be dangerous among young children.
Oh, okay. But I guess you have legs to run.
Yes.
Yeah, show me like that. Yeah. Oh.
That does not look safe. Did you hear that?
There's something.
That had something.
You had something.
Yes.
Maybe it's not there. Is it there? Guys, we're trying to poke and find if there's something here, but I guess there's nothing.
That does not.
There's nothing. Guys, there's nothing for now. I guess maybe because what do you think? It's in the river,
Most likely.
or maybe it's hunting.
Sometimes I do hear there are fish around here, but I don't tend to believe it myself.
Yeah, because like the water is so dirty.
Yeah.
I doubt whether there are fish here.
Yes. But most likely it may have gone for a meal.
A meal.
And might be returning a bit later, let's say like 6, 7, some kind.
What do they feed on? First of all,
They feed on insects, fish, small birds, and eggs. Most likely chicken eggs and so other birds.
oh, so bad, like maybe they can find nests around and maybe eat them.
Yes.
Guys, as I told you, we are kind of safe here because we have 2 weapons, crude weapons, I guess. This one even ain't a sharp knife, but this one also is not that sharp. But anyway, we have legs to run in case things get hostile. So guys, I hope you're enjoying our video. We haven't found anything for now, but I guess we'll come another day and we'll continue poking, and we'll show you a monitor lizard emerging from this hole.
Or a snake.
Or
a snake.
Or a snake.
You can't be sure.
A snake is much more